Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Why is it that some affiliate links earn thousands of dollars, while others are virtually ignored? Turns out, it has just as much to do with the offer as how you promote them. Number 1. Product reviews for affiliate offers. Product reviews are one of the most popular types of content for affiliate marketing. The general idea is that anyone reading reviews of a product is seconds away from making a purchasing decision. And if you can swoop in with your affiliate link and refer that imminent sale, it's an easy way to earn money on products people would buy anyway. The key is to review products with a strong conversion rate, solid commissions, and enough volume that you'll earn a meaningful amount of revenue. Think beyond typical consumer products you'll find on Amazon to get an edge. For example, you can review physical products like outdoor gear or luxury clothing, digital products like SaaS tools or online courses, services like bank accounts or travel experiences. In particular, digital products and services can offer especially high commissions since production costs are dramatically lower than those of physical goods. Creating a high-converting product review isn't rocket science, but it does take experimentation. Use affiliate links early and often, without overdoing it. To promote affiliate links effectively, use anchor text that sparks interest in the content behind the link. Number 2. Inside a free email course. Email has long been cited as the most cost-effective marketing channel. That's still true in 2022, and it applies to affiliate marketing as much as other types of digital marketing. This is because email affiliate marketing lets you reach buyers reliably, regardless of ongoing Google and social media algorithm updates. Sell to the same people over and over, instead of convincing new buyers from ground zero every time. Share time-sensitive information, such as discounts and deals, which boost conversion rates. And one of the best ways to build an email list is through email courses, which so happen to be the perfect place for your affiliate links too. An email course is a sequence of emails delivered over a set period of time, with the goal of teaching subscribers how to accomplish something. By promoting affiliate links inside an email course, you can enable subscribers with the tool they need to reach their goal. The best part? Most email courses are evergreen. This means a single free course can build your list, earn you affiliate revenue, and then upsell to a more expensive paid product. A triple threat to monetize your email list through automation. Number 3. Link your own products with affiliate links. Selling your own products is one of the most effective ways to monetize a website, because instead of getting a small commission, you can get all of the profit. But what if you could have both? Some platforms and merchants will allow you to use affiliate links to share your own products, without reducing what you're getting paid per conversion. For example, LinkedIn Learning allows instructors to use affiliate links to share their own courses. You can even earn more as an affiliate than an instructor with this model. But the best part is, you'll be doing both. The same concept applies to Udemy courses, or when promoting your own Kindle books through Amazon affiliate links. Anytime you mention your own course or book, include an affiliate link to increase the revenue you'll be getting anyway. Number 4. Gift guides and product roundups. Product roundups, also called best product reviews, are some of the highest converting ways to promote affiliate links in your content for a couple of reasons. First, the person looking for product roundups is usually early enough in their buying journey that they are exploring all their options, which means more clicks on your links. Second, they're less likely already have someone else's affiliate cookie stored in their browser. Finally, roundup posts are a great way to test different products for conversion, and then write dedicated reviews or additional content on just the products that your audience is buying. Sound good? The key is to include your links early and often in a tasteful way. Don't make the reader learn your life story before spilling your number 1 pick for best toothbrush. Number 5. Run pay-per-click ads. Getting organic traffic on your site, but you think the conversion rate could be higher? Social media ads could be the answer. Depending on your cost per click and commissions, running retargeting ads are a great way to get visitors who first found you through Google back on your website. They just need a little nudge to go through with the purchase. If you're not sure what your ads should look like, browse the Facebook ads library for inspiration. Just type in the names of your favorite blogs or your competitors to see which ads are being run with their Facebook page. Not every affiliate program allows PPC ads. The problem is, when affiliates and brands are retargeting visitors, the price for both gets higher. That's why some brands don't want you promoting your affiliate content through ads, or worse, promoting your affiliate link directly in a practice known as direct linking. Even better, look for affiliate programs where you still get credit if the customer comes through retargeting campaigns after your cookie was set. Number 6. Share deals and offers with your email list. Fake scarcity is one of the tactics that works well in the short term, but hurts your brand and reputation, which is especially problematic if you want to build up a base of repeat buyers. But there is a great way to use natural scarcity to your advantage as an affiliate. Limited time offers and deals. Whenever your favorite brand puts up a seasonal sale or offers discount codes for affiliates, you can share those timely offers via email. Since email converts better than just any marketing channel and you've got natural urgency baked in, this strategy can be highly effective. The key is to email the list regularly, not just when you want to promote a product. Watch the commissions for sale items. Lots of advertisers will reduce the commissions they offer on sale products, or not offer commissions at all. Make sure to check the commission policy of the brand you're working with to find out if this is the case. You might still earn conversions on full price items that are in the basket, but building an audience that is only interested in deals could backfire in the long run. Number 7. Inside podcast show notes. Podcasts are often referred to as the new guest post. Guests get links to their website and you get free content for your audience. But if you've got a guest on with a great product or offer, you can also link to them through an affiliate link. Note that just like on blog posts, you need a clear affiliate disclosure somewhere before the link on the page. Number 8. Resource pages. Resource pages are pages on your website where you collect all the tools you use on a regular basis. These could be your favorite services, brands, or anything else you want to reference regularly. And for each resource, you can include an affiliate link. Even better if there's a deal or discount code to nudge the purchase along. Since each of these resources is used by the blogger, they can share their personal experience next to each recommendation. While resources pages won't always get a ton of organic traffic, resource pages work great when you promote them regularly via email. Then, if someone subscribes to your email list with the goal of becoming a better skater, then including a link to your personal list of skateboarding equipment is a great fit for buying intent. Number 9. Affiliate links on Pinterest. Even though Pinterest is traditionally classified as social media, those in the know realize it's closer to a search engine than anything else. And the best part is, Pinterest has a fraction of the competition of Google when it comes to getting your content in front of the masses. Plus, Pinterest favors fresh content. This makes it much easier to get early eyes on your website while Google is taking its dear sweet time in trusting your domain. Like a dozen other free traffic sources, Pinterest can be used for affiliate marketing, but not in the same way as Google. Pinterest users, known as pinners, are cold traffic. To succeed with affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you'll need to use it for building an email list and create content that is specifically designed to rank on Pinterest. Capturing clicks from Pinterest on affiliate links is great, but the real power of Pinterest is to build an audience that will likely buy from you in the future. Number 10. Affiliate links on YouTube. YouTube has become one of the most popular places for people to watch product reviews, and for a good reason. With written product reviews, half the content out there is recycled information from the manufacturer's website. It's an open secret that most product reviews are written by freelance writers who've never seen or touched the product they're reviewing. YouTube is different. Since it's based on video, consumers are more certain to get a hands-on look at the product being reviewed. And with the added complexity of video, the competition for ranking in YouTube is often lower than for buyer intent keywords on Google. For the best of both worlds, create YouTube videos you can also embed in your blog posts. That way, you can improve time on page and get your affiliate links in front of even more people. Number 11. Facebook affiliate links. While some brands use Facebook to promote affiliate links, the best way to get your affiliate content in front of people is by building a community. Meaning, running your own Facebook page and group. Facebook groups are an excellent way to bring together people with common interests and goals. And if you produce content that can help them solve that problem, you've got a way to reach them on repeat. Number 12. Affiliate marketing on Instagram. In contrast to Pinterest, Instagram users are ready to buy. Promoting affiliate links through Instagram is one of the few places that can work at a similar level as organic traffic, provided you've curated the right audience. Having a mobile-optimized affiliate landing page for Instagram is key. Since the platform only allows one lonely link in bio, that landing page will need to be a portal to all the products you've promoted recently. I hope this helps you guys on your journey with affiliate marketing. If you have tips of your own, drop a comment and subscribe for more informative content like this.